Folks, you can't get much better than this. This is epic. Nah, don't worry, you won't see any polar bears around here. This is southern Ontario, what are you on about? Anyway, I'm up here at lock number 7 of the Welland Canal, and we're just waiting for a vessel to come up here, Tufty, making our way up the Welland Canal. Today is, it's Friday the 13th, by the way, if those people are superstitious, and I'm up here at Thorold. And just behind me is lock 7, and you might be able to just see the no smoking sign of Tufty. She's now just entered the lock. She'll be raising slightly, and I'm going to walk further up the path with the camera, maybe the drone, and get some shots of her coming out of the lock and sailing up the seaway a little bit. So, quick look around. Now, from the drone shots I just got a moment ago, you can see there's several vessels in the locks right now. It's actually very busy here at locks 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, 5, 6, and 7. Frontenac was down there. Also very busy right now. And we also have, I think it's CSL Niagara's just no, I don't know who that one is. CSL Niagara's in Port Coburn right now. I have to check that one, but there is one waiting to come downbound shortly. It's not at Port Coburn, I was correct. CSL Niagara is the one waiting to go downbound here at lock 7. Tufty is now coming out of lock 7. We've got the time lapse up on this camera. See this time lapse is any different than the GoPro ones, so we'll see. But anyway, she's come out the lock. I can't get the drone up because you can tell there's a lot of birds around here. And this is one of the very few places you can still come right now on the Welland Canal, and there's no fence to block your view. How cool is that? So I'm just south of lock 7, if you're interested. If you just park at the viewing observation there and just walk over the bridge and walk down the path, and 200 meters, you're here. No fences. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, the volume, but that is the bow thrusters on the port there you can hear. Oh, this is going to be cool. She's having to come right up against the wall here because of CSL Niagara. So look at this. Folks, we're in for a real treat right now. Because CSL Niagara is over there, Tufty, he's coming right up, right next to us, with no fences. This is epic. Holy. Jeez, look at this. Folks, you can't get much better than this. This is epic. I can actually walk alongside it. This is absolutely unbelievable. I'm walking alongside a huge bulk carrier on the Welland Canal. This is just, I wasn't expecting this today. This is just great.
So this is the MV Tufty, which is a bulk carrier sailing under the flag of Cyprus. She was built back in 2009 in China, and the ship has an overall length of 185.14 meters, which is 607.3 feet, with a beam of 23.99 meters, which is 78.7 feet. And she's currently on her way to Thunder Bay.
You can't get much better than this for a shot, surely. Is that my thumbnail? I think that's going to be my thumbnail right there. We got ice just on the back there. Wow, I'm absolutely buzzing. I think I might have just found my new favorite spot to come and watch some of these vessels, especially when they're going to come up against the wall like that. That was just fantastic. Thoroughly enjoyed it. All right, hope you enjoyed that video too. Until the next one, see you shortly. Stay safe, take care.